Hey guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. Today I have another embellishment box to share with you, but before I start talking about it, I first want to take a moment to say thank you to all of you that contacted me via email, Facebook, text messages, and even through YouTube comments section. Thank you for sending your positive thoughts, your well wishes, and your prayers. I definitely feel like the family is finally over the hump of this really nasty flu/cold that just like really hit us and bombarded our house. And like I said, we are over the hump, and we see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I just wanted to say thank you. If you still hear my voice, I still kind of sound a little weird or not normal, and like I said, it's still a little bit of the symptoms remaining, but definitely doing much better. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. I getting over it completely. So I just wanted to say once again, thank you so much for thinking of us and sending your positive thoughts our way. Okay, so let's talk about the embellishment box. I feel like it's very elegant. That's my word to describe it. Elizabeth contacted me when I was showing you the video for Alicia's box, and she asked if I would be interested in doing a swap with her, and of course I said yes. But I was a little bit worried because at that time I knew that I had no more handmade things to add, and I was like, you know what? There's like no rules on how to put embellishment boxes together. So I basically went through my stuff, and this is how I put her box together. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching. Elizabeth is a fellow YouTuber, and I am going to link her YouTube channel in the description below, and hopefully you guys take the time to check it out and support one another. I feel like the crafty community is super kind and supportive of one another. I think we understand that there's always something to learn from someone else, and even if they do something one way and they're showing it and you like the idea, but then you put your own twist to it, I think that's what makes us like special. so like I said, I'm gonna link her information in the description below. I'm sure you guys will show her some love. So okay, let's open up this box and show you what's inside. Like I said, at this point I didn't have any handmade stuff, so this is all the kind of stuff that I had in my craft area, and I kind of assembled together. So when she contacted me, she said that she wanted to like a gold, silver, and purple Christmas, and I was like, what? Like I know, right? So all I did is I went to Pinterest, and I literally typed in purple, silver, and gold Christmas, and these are the images. I don't know if you guys could see. These are the images that popped, and the very first image is this tree. Can you guys see? And I was like, and I kind of got an idea of what to recreate, and this is the best that I could come up with for the colors for this box, of course. Okay, so like I said, keeping that in mind that she wanted a silver, gold, and purple, I decided to add things that were light purple and dark purple, and based on this image, which is like really elegant, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like super fancy. And so I try to incorporate that in her box. So in this section right here, I just have these little Prima flowers that are, obviously they're not like Christmas flowers, but they are gold and like a beige with like dazzling stuff. I don't know, like I said, I was going for like an elegant look to this box. So just added those there. I made this little sequin mix myself, and I just added different shades of purple, silver, and white. And then I separated this one, which has silver and gold stars. So just gave her a few options on those because once again, I wasn't really sure how she could use these. Here I have these two little containers that are silver and gold. This is fine glitter. I picked this up at a craft show last year, and I've been saving. I was supposed to use them. I haven't up to this point. It's been over a year. Yeah, because I actually just missed the craft show. The craft show was like yesterday and Sunday, and I couldn't go because I was still not feeling like moving out the house. But it's probably a good thing I didn't go. A good thing for my wallet. But yeah, so I picked these up, and like I said, they've been here waiting to be used. I never have, so maybe she'll find a better purpose for it. Here I picked up this thread that's like gold, really thin gold, perfect for a little cluster, and these as well that I've just kind of put together myself. This is actual thread that's supposed to be for cross stitching, so just included these in here. Of course, my little pearls that you guys seen, just added a few in here. I just added some glitter glue that I purchased when I was doing the other embellishment box, but I didn't really have space because they actually got the Nuvo drops, so I just kept them as extras, and when her box came about it was like perfect. So just basically glitter glue, gold and silver. Here you guys seen this before, just the puffy foams with the gold, so base shades of purple, white and gold. In here those little deers, which again perfect for this box as well. And then just decided to add this little stocking that's super cute, just to add something. Added more once again of those wood, because I actually have a lot. I added some of these snowflakes that are wood in here, and then here are the 3 glitter washi tapes in here for her. And then this one, you guys, is gonna be a toughie to get out, so I may not even mess with it. She may have to, oh, there. Okay, this one is Purple Haze, and it's embossing powder, and I have 2 of these. I accidentally ordered 2, so perfect once again for this box. It's like it was just waiting. It was just waiting for her to come along. In here I've added charms, different options, so that she's able to either put together something or make something. I added the silver, the gold, the little tassel, the snowflake, and then this is the only thing I purchased from Hobby Lobby, which could be used as a jewelry piece, but it could definitely also go for like a charm or for like paper clip, just for something that she could put together to put in her traveler's notebook or her agenda, her planner, whatever. So just different options of charms there. And then here are like these little brads, but they're like jingle bells. Let me see. Let's see. Like it's like a jingle bell at the edge, but it's like a brad. So just added those in here. In here, I added these little gold bows and a very dark purple wilted violet distress ink. I love adding these, and I also have spares just because there's like little simple things to add, you know. So just added that in here. In here, I have a few of paper clips that you guys have already seen. More washi tape in these right here. And then something super cool that I didn't had thought about before is I added little strips. Actually, this idea came from Cindy because she sent me tulle and with her swap, and then I was like, so cool, like I could do the same. So I added that one, and then this one's like a little thinner, but this one has like stars. Very cool, very pretty. So just added that in here. I wish I had like a purple tulle. I've seen it before where it's like a glittery, but for now this is all I had. And then the last box here, or the last compartment, it just has different shades of purple, of little gems, enamel dots, and then crystals. These are from Prima, and it has like the white with the, this is like a soft lavender, but these white ones have like gold on the inside, if you guys could see. So just wanted to add those. White, gold, and then different shades of purple are in here. And I try to fill it up as much as I could. So hopefully she's able to use some of that. I am gonna finish this box by adding some of these, 4 of each. These are silver and gold. I am also going to add this Christmas card that I made last year, and I never showed it on video. This is when I wanted to do like a rose gold inspired Christmas, and basically I just stamped the Simon Says stamp to make it look like a background, added some rose gold ribbon, and then embossed this snowflake, and then cut it out. And like I said, I never filmed it. I don't know why. But just playing around with my stuff. So I'm gonna add that in here, even though it's rose gold. I think it's forgivable. So we're just gonna add that in here. And then to finish it off, which is why I hadn't, this box is going to be slightly different because I didn't add any washi tape to the top. I am basically going to maybe keep it simple and just tie something like that. This is wire ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I picked this up as well. And I'm just going to, it has like these little like holding things right here, so I'm just going to kind of twist it in there. And this is my take on an elegant purple, gold, and silver, although there's really not a lot of silver. But this is my take on the inspiration and maybe. Okay, so that is going to be our embellishment box. Hopefully you guys like the things that I put in here. Just a different option in case you don't have or don't want to add any handmade things. Then you could just kind of put stuff together with what you already have, but may not, like I said, may not necessarily be handmade. So hopefully you guys like the video. Once again, I am going to link her YouTube channel in the description, and hopefully you guys give her a chance and check out her channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.